Hello students, welcome back in SST class of 6th standard, day 3. We will continue with the lesson number 2 of civics, urban local self-government. In previous class we had discussed municipality, its composition and office bearers of a municipality, permanent officials of a municipality, then municipal corporation and its composition. In today's class, we will read about office bearers of the corporation, permanent officials of the corporation, committees, then functions of municipality and municipal corporation, and compulsory functions. But before we proceed further, I would like to take feedback of the previous topic through some questions. Number 1. Write definition of the following: municipality, municipal corporation, councillor, alderman. Number 2. Who elects the members of a municipality? Number 3. How many seats are reserved for women in a municipality? Number 4. Write full form of the following: MP and MLA. Number 5. Name the permanent officials of a municipality. Number 6. Who elects the members of a municipal corporation? So I hope students, you all are able to answer all these questions. Next we will discuss terms related with today's topic. First term is dispensary, means a clinic provided by public or charitable funds. Number 2. Inoculation, means to treat with a vaccine to produce immunity against a disease. Number 3. Adulteration, means to make impure by adding something inferior in quality. Number 4. Crematoria, means place where dead bodies are cremated. Now students, take out page number 116. Now we will start with the reading of office bearers of the corporation. So let's start reading. The members of the municipal corporation elect a mayor or mahapaur and a deputy mayor or up-mahapaur from among themselves. The mayor is the head of the municipal corporation. Students, mark this line. Here the question rises, who is the head of the municipal corporation? And the answer is mayor. Next, he or she presides over the meetings of the corporation. In the absence of the mayor, the deputy mayor performs his or her functions. Here, presides means conducts. It means the members of municipal corporation elect a mayor and a deputy mayor. The mayor is a political head of the corporation. The mayor presides over the meetings and look after the work of the corporation. In the absence of the mayor, his duties are discharged by the deputy mayor. Next is permanent officials of the corporation. The municipal corporation also has some permanent officials. These officials are appointed by the state government. The corporation has a chief executive officer. He or she is also called the municipal commissioner. He or she acts as a link between the municipal corporation and the state government. He or she implements the laws framed by the corporation. Here, implements means executes. The officers in charge of various departments like health, education, engineering, sanitation, etc. assist him. Here, assist means help. This paragraph means there are some permanent officials of municipal corporation. These officials are appointed by the state government. The real executive of the corporation is the municipal commissioner. He supervises the work of the various branches of administration and acts as a link between the state government and the municipal corporation. The officers of different departments like health, education, engineering, sanitation, etc. help him. Next, we have committees. The corporation sets up a number of committees to look after its day to day functioning. For each subject, there is a committee. For example, Education Committee, Public Health Committee, etc. Each committee consists of 5 to 12 members of the corporation and a chairperson. It means the municipal corporation sets up a different committees to look after the day-to-day work. For example, Education Committee, Public Health Committee, etc. Each committee contains 5 to 12 members of the municipal corporation and a chairperson. Now students, next we will read functions of municipality and municipal corporation. Children, the main functions of municipality and municipal corporation are similar. So let's start reading functions of municipality and municipal corporation. The municipality and the municipal corporation have almost the same functions. These are as under: Number 1. To establish and run healthcare centers, dispensaries, and hospitals for the common people. Here, dispensary means a clinic provided by public or charitable funds. Number 2. To make arrangements for vaccination and inoculation to prevent the spread of dangerous diseases like tuberculosis, smallpox, malaria, cholera, dengue, chikungunya, etc. Here, inoculation means to treat a person or animal with a vaccine to produce immunity against a disease, and prevent means stop. Students, the municipality and the municipal corporation take necessary steps for public health for the treatment of diseases. Hospitals and dispensaries are opened in different localities where qualified doctors are employed. Vaccination and inoculation work is carried out against diseases like tuberculosis, chikungunya, malaria, etc. Next, number 2, sanitation. Sanitation means cleanliness. Number 1 point is to make arrangements for clearing and disposal of garbage, cleaning roads, markets, drains, and public toilets. Here, disposal means discard. Number 2, to make the public aware of the health safeguards through various means. Here, aware means conscious. Students, some steps are also taken by the municipality and the municipal corporation for sanitation and cleanliness, which include removal of rubbish and garbage, cleaning of roads, drains, etc. Next, third point is water supply. Number 1, to construct and maintain water supply system. Number 2, to ensure supply of safe drinking water. Here, ensure means make sure. It means the municipality and the municipal corporation maintain and arrange water supply system. They also see the arrangement for the supply of fresh drinking water. Next, number 4 is education. First point of education is to establish and maintain primary and secondary schools and adult education centers. Second, to establish libraries and maintain museum, zoo, etc. Students, an educated person proves more useful both for himself and to the society. To fulfill this purpose, the municipality and the municipal corporation open primary schools, secondary schools, and adult education centers. Here, primary school means school which provides education to children up to class 5th, and secondary school provides education to children up to class 12, and adult education centers are those which provide education to adults who are above the age of 18. For the children, these local bodies also open libraries, museum, zoo, etc. Number 5 is lighting, to make arrangements for street lighting, park lighting, etc. Students, this is also the most important function of municipality and municipal corporation to arrange and maintain street lights, park lights, etc. Next, number 6 function is public security. Number 1 point of public security is to maintain fire brigade for saving people from fire. Number 2, to pull down old and dangerous buildings which may cause any mishappening. Here mishappening means accident. Number 3, to take steps for maintaining the quality of goods and check food adulteration. Here adulteration means to make impure by adding something inferior in quality. Students, the municipality and the municipal corporation take different steps for public security. These local bodies maintain fire brigade to save people from fire. It can also pull down old and dangerous houses which may cause any mishappening. It takes steps to maintain the quality of things and to check food adulteration. Number 7 function is public works. Number 1st point, to construct and maintain roads, bridges, public buildings, markets, sports complexes, crematoria and graveyard. Here crematoria means place where dead bodies are cremated and graveyard means a burial ground. Number 2, to demolish illegal buildings. Number 3, to maintain records of births and deaths. Here demolish means destroy. Students, for the convenience of the public, the municipality and the municipal corporation construct and maintain wide roads, markets, sports complex, crematoria and graveyard. They also destroy illegal buildings. Here illegal building means when a building is constructed without a valid permit. Municipality and municipal corporation also maintains birth and death records to help the government in times of census and also help to find birth and death rates. Last 8th function of municipality and municipal corporation is maternity and child welfare. Here maternity means the state of being a mother. Number 1st point is to establish and maintain maternity and child welfare centers. Number 2, to conduct public awareness campaigns in this regard. Here campaigns means movements. Students, maternal and child health services in municipal areas are provided through maternity centers. They also conduct public awareness campaigns regarding this. So I hope students, today's topic is clear to all. Now your homework is reread today's topic, do exercise 4, match column A with column B, exercise 9, see and answer on book, and do question 1, 3, 4, 5 of exercise 5 short answer type questions and question 1, 3, 4, 5 of exercise 6 long answer type questions on copy. Thank you.